everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have my St. Patrick's Day stitch marker advent. So let's take a look at day 10. And I know it's easy to find because it's right on top. Yay! And I'm going to put this up. Here we go, put it up. And here's day 10 sticker. It says Irish. Alright. And let's take a look at it. Figure out how it opens. Okay. Oh, this is beautiful. This is stunning. This one is stunning. Oh, quit moving. Quit moving. That's stunning. I love that. That's beautiful. That's gorgeous. I loves it. It's gorgeous. I loves it. I loves it. I loves it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And moving it over here. That's gorgeous. So I moved it to this side. And then I've got all these. I'm going to spread them out a little bit more, but they are stunning. I am loving these stitch markers. I love them. They are just so gorgeous. This is awesome. Absolutely love it. I get to change out my stitch markers depending upon the season. Please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning.